Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Gmail account. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you can go ahead and do this on your mobile device or computer. So just go ahead and open up your favorite browser, and then just go ahead over to google.com. Alright, then once that's done, just hit on enter. Now at the top right, you have sign in, so just click on it. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and click on create account. Now you can go ahead and select for my personal use, for my child, or for work or my business. So I'm just going to go ahead and select for my personal use right here, and then go ahead and give it a name. For example, Ryan Tristan. Okay, and then once that's done, I'm going to click on next. If it's loaded, once it loads, go ahead and enter your date of birth, and then just click on next. Now it will give you emails that you would like to use, or you go ahead and create your own Gmail. If either of these two works for you, well, you go ahead and select one, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and click on create, and then after that, you're going to write down the email that I want to use. So for example, ryantristan@gmail.com. If that works, I'll just click on next. If it says this username or that username is taken, well, go ahead and enter some numbers, underscores, or whatever, okay? And then just click on next. After that, go ahead and create a password. Click on next. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, it will ask you to scan a QR code by using your phone or your phone's camera. So go ahead and open up your camera. I'm just going to go ahead and scan it real quick right here. And it will go ahead and open up Google Play services in my phone. So all I got to do is just press verify right here. I don't know if you can see it. I'm just going to, yep. This one. So just click on verify. This one right here will take some time, so just patiently wait. So it's going to ask me to return to my device or current device. So I've been using my computer. Now it will ask you to add in a recovery email. So go ahead and add in your recovery email. Then just click on next, or you can go ahead and click on skip if you don't have any recovery email. And in here, just click on next. Scroll all the way down. Click on I agree. And once done, here you have your Gmail. All right. You can now go ahead and add a recovery phone number right here, which I'm going to do right after this video. All right. So that's it for now. Here you have your Gmail account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.